Yeah, HVAC. Great job. The boss said, get this stuff down to the truck. And the elevator's broke. We got 4 more floors to go. Ain't much easier with 2 hands. Oh boy. That's right. See, I like being over here close to the handrail because when I'm not holding the camera, it makes it a whole lot easier. Here, watch. Hold on a second. Anyway, back a long time ago, that's what people did. We carried it all up the stairs, up the ladder, stand on the edge of the roof, pull up something that's half or more of your body weight. It's not the measure of people. The kid that's out there doing this compressor change right now, he did a beautiful job. I'm happy to carry this stuff down for him. What a great kid. Can't really call him a kid anymore, he's a young man, right? Some beautiful torch work up here. The supply house didn't have the compressor that they were supposed to have 4 days ago when we went to get it. They promised us it would be here today. It's Friday. So I get a phone call around 1 o'clock telling me that, right? Hold on, the story gets better. It says, relax. I got all the paperwork. I'm not going to name the supply house because they're a bunch of great guys. They can only get what they can get. And if it don't show up, it's usually not their fault. It is what it is. Anyway, they found him one at a sister company that we don't have an account at. And arranged it all. He's already been over there, got the compressor, all the paperwork, and we're covering the charge out of this one. 4 floors up, he took all this stuff up there. And hand truck or not. We'll talk about man up. I got a man up. I'm going to show you the work that he did. What do you think he ought to be making an hour? You even think he should be an hourly employee? Who can afford this kid? Watch. Yep, it's coming back. Alright. Let's see how we're coming along. Getting ready to turn it on. Hold on a second. Let me peek at this beautiful work here. I didn't even get a chance to see it yet. Getting ready to put the disconnect in. I made it here just in time.
Well, it's a good thing you did, because I forgot one more.
Hey, there you go. He was trying to beat me. Nothing wrong with friendly competition. Well, from what I see, so far, looking pretty good, bud.
Thank you.
Yep. Alright. Let's see how you did it this time. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's better than using that 45 and bending that accumulator around. Nice. Managed to keep the muffler. Oh, good. So this is a totally different compressor style, and it needed a lot of repipe, but you made it look pretty easy. Nice job, Jack. Go ahead and start her up. Got a clean coil, New star capacitor. She should have her best chance to run. It's in. She, $6 disconnects. What's it off inside? Off at the stat?
Must be.
Yeah. Why don't you go hit that on? I'll put the cover on if it comes on while you're gone. This looks pretty good here. Well, you gotta play with it. It looks pretty good. Yes, sir. Nice job, Jack. Very nice job. No new unit available for this unit. That's why this got done. We'll do something about that. Yep. No new unit available for this without a lot of work. There's a way to do it, but you're going to avoid the warranty. So I'm fine either way. But Jack just saved you $10,000.
So,
And they put that terminal board on the best angle, daring you to short it out with your screwdriver against the case. But look at the steady hand. Nice. Switch popping it over into the heat mode, just to make sure any liquid during the charging process gets boiled off a little more. It's a good way to make sure you got a more accurate charge. Charge something up to a certain pressure, you walk away from it, 6 hours, 8 hours later, it could be running totally different pressures. Switch it into the heat mode, let it run for a minute or two. Maybe do that once or twice. And then put it back into cooler mode, let it run. And you should be right there, right there. Should be right there. Nice job, Jack. Nice job. Yep. Lunchtime.
best time of the day.
Right after breakfast and before dinner.
Okay.
All right, now. Have a good weekend. All right, Jack. Good way, bud. Nice job. Can't ask for any more. Can't ask for any more. What a great kid. What a hard worker. Jack, I don't know what you're gonna do. I think you'd be a fine archaeologist or geologist. But if this is what you want to do, you got it.